Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 29th. And we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed down 55 cents at 10.40. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Same old, the stock is going down, dropping. All of the indicators are in the tank. And maybe this is going to be the shortest video ever because, on the first hour of the day, we broke 11 bucks. So we had a nice move during the first hour of the day, but then it just became ugly and came down. Let's look at the VIX closely to see what happened. So, well, there you go. VIX went up during the day. Let's look at the VIX in more detail. So it started here during the day. It was not so bad. It was pretty much horizontal and then started to go up like this, and the stocks just tank. So VIX is very important to watch, and the stock market is opening at 9:30 Eastern time, but the VIX is already open, so you can take a look at the VIX and see what is going to happen most likely on the stock market. So this is a nice little tip for you guys. Small look at Dow Jones, and look at this. Dow Jones almost out of this downward channel. S&P 500, wow, broke 41.61, broke 12.567 here for NASDAQ, and NASDAQ 100, the same thing here. So the indices are not looking good. What can we do? Tesla is not able to break through all of the indices, so it's following. What can we do besides shorting? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Sunday for my members and Monday for all of you, and Monday for everybody else. I'm going to tell you